Whenever we're trying to add or subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. Now, people will sometimes think, oh, they have x in common or something like that. But think about if I had, I don't know, a denominator of 2 and a denominator of 3. Well, 3 is really 2 plus 1. No, it doesn't work like that, right? When they're two totally different denominators, you simply multiply them to get the least common multiple, which is the least common denominator. So when we multiply these, I could simply, for now, write it as x plus 1 times 2x minus 3. And then since we're getting that common denominator and we'll be able to then add or subtract the numerators, what I would first recommend is whenever I see a minus here, I'm going to make it a plus and tuck that minus right in that numerator in the fraction after where the minus was, so I don't forget to apply it. Now, what is this denominator missing to become the common denominator? Well, it's missing a 2x minus 3, but anything I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator. And then what about this 2x minus 3? What is it missing? It's missing x plus 1. So I'll multiply that top and bottom, and I'm going to go ahead and distribute as I write it in this new numerator. So if I distribute the 4, I'm left with 8x minus 12, and then minus 3x minus 3. When we combine like terms, we get 5x minus 15. And then down here in the denominator, if I look at the answer options at this point to kind of see where I'm going, I can see they actually FOIL the denominator, but all three of those are the same, right? So that's not going to do me any good to even bother with it. What really matters is what happens in the numerator. And the one that looks closest is definitely not this one. It's either C or D. And if I just factor out the 5, I'm left with x minus 3, and that matches with D.